ಹಲೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆರ್ಚ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕೀ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋವಂಥ. ಸೊ ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ C4 ಇದು. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ಬ ಕಲೀಗ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ C4 ಕೋಡ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಕೋಡ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಇರಲಿ, ನಿಮಗಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ಓದಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಹೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ನ ಬರೆದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸೊ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈವನ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ಮೋಲಾರ್ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಹೀಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಈಸ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ 1.4 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ executing simple harmonic motion, so the answer is B. Motorcyclist moving towards a huge cliff with a speed of 18 km per hour, so the answer is A. Fourth one, the body has a charge of 3.2 mu c, the number of excess of electron, answer is C. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಕನ್ವೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡೋಣಂತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ, ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಆಫ್ ಇದೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್, ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ seventh one, electric flux through a closed spherical surface, answer is A. Under electrostatic condition, so the answer is C. A cube of side 1 centimeter contains 100 molecules each having an induced dipole moment, so the answer is B. Capacitor of capacitance 5 mu F is charged by battery and EMF 10 volt, so the answer is A. 11th one, E is the electric field inside the conductor whose material has conductivity, sigma, so answer is C. 12th one, in the circuit shown, the end A is at potential of V0 and end B is grounded, so the answer is D. 13th question, electric current flowing through a given conductor, so here the answer is A. 14th one, the answer is A. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. 15th ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ C. 16th, ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುವಂಥದ್ದು. In an experiment to determine the temperature coefficient of resistance of a conductor, a coil of wire X is immersed in the liquid, so here the answer will become C. A moving electron produced, the answer is B. A coil having 9 turns carrying a current produce magnetic field B1, so answer is A. 19th one, a particle of specific charge, answer is D. 20th, the magnetic field at center of circular coil, answer is D. Magnetic height hysteresis is exhibited by, so C, only ferro. Magnetic susceptibility of Mg, so the answer is C. Uniform magnetic field of strength B, so ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ A. 24th, in the figure conducting ring of certain resistance, so the answer is C. An induced current of 2A flows through a coil. Resistance of a coil is 10 ohm, so answer is B. Square loop of side length A, so here the answer is C. 27, the answer is D. 28th, in an LCR series circuit, so the answer is C. 29th, figure shows variation of R, XL and XC, so the answer is C. 30th, electromagnetic waves. So the answer is A. 31st, final image found by an astronomical telescope. So answer is D. 32nd, if the angle of minimum deviation, answer is C. 33, a luminous point object, answer is A. 33, answer is A. 34, an equiconvex lens, answer is D. 35, the answer is A, 500 km per second. 36, 3 polarized sheets, answer is B. 3 I naught by 32. 37th, Young's double slit experiment, answer is D. 38th, light of energy E, answer C. 39th, the photoelectric work function for photometal is 2.4, answer C. 40, alpha particle scattering experiment, answer is D. 41st, ratio of area of first excited state to ground state, answer is D. 42nd, the ratio of volume of Al27 nucleus, answer is D. 43rd, consider the nuclear fission reaction, answer D. 44th, a natural logarithm of the activity R, answer C. Depletion region in an unbiased semiconductor, answer is B. 46th, the answer is B, copper. 47th, in the diagram shown, Zener diode, so answer is D. A PN junction, answer is B. 49th, athlete runs along with the circular track of diameter 80 meter, so the answer is A. 50, among the given pair of vectors, answer is D. 51, a block of certain mass is placed on the rough inclined plane, answer B. 52, a particle of mass 500 gram is at rest, answer C. 53, dimension formula for activity of a radioactive substance, answer C. 54, ceiling fan is rotating around a fixed axle as shown, answer D. A body of mass 1 kg is suspended by the weightless string, answer B. 56, what is the value of acceleration due to gravity, so answer A. 57, a thick metal wire of density rho, answer B. 58, water flows through a horizontal pipe, answer C. 59, solid cube of mass m at a temperature theta naught, so answer is C. And the last question, 1 mole of an ideal monoatomic gas is taken around the cyclic process MNOM. The work done by the gas is, answer is D. 60th question, answer is D. Like this. So these are the questions for Physics 2024 Kcet exam. So thank you. Have a nice day.